floors. I'm actually going back on this one, and I'm going to show you one that's already done. Then I'm going to show you floors that are in the process of being done. And we'll actually show you just how shitty they look when we start. So that's finished product.
I'm going to plug this in your bathroom, this bathroom.
Okay. And this is what they look like when we get in them. I've already started on this floor. I've already started sanding one room. So that's what it looks like when it's sanded. And there's our sander. And there's Brian. We'll show that to Kathy so that she's not working.
Not working. Take a picture of my odometer.
Keep that odometer in your pants, bud. I don't swing a bat that way.